Oh, he has something in his foot. Did you toss that?
Yeah.
And he grabbed it? Well, now he doesn't remember that he has it. Oh, yes, he does. And if you He knows not to injure the trainers. Thank goodness. In fact, Belinda goes into his enclosure. So totally sterile. Why? Because her system, her digestive system.
They have similar cognitive abilities as a 7-year-old human. So we thought we'd put her to the test, and we got her a shape sorter.
Bird's smarter than I am. I know.
All right, now this is a hard one because it actually doesn't fit with this set here. It comes with a different set. What you gotta do is, Julie, which one does it look like? Look like that one?